Hey Star Wars fans and saber collectors! Today we're diving into Neosabers.com, a site that promises high quality, customizable lightsabers for cosplay, collection, or dueling. But with growing complaints online, is Neosabers a force to be reckoned with, or just a scam in disguise? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on publicly available information and personal opinions. Neosabers showcases a wide range of lightsabers from budget-friendly options to high-end RGB and NeoPixel models, all claiming to be combat-ready with sound effects and customization features. Their website looks professional and even offers payment plans, which adds a layer of trust for some. But the Trustpilot ratings tells a different story. Sitting at just 2.7 stars, recent reviews report serious issues. Wrong saber sends with no customer service follow-up. Shipping errors, including orders sent to the wrong country. Zero response from support, leaving customers to fight through banks and payment processors for refunds. Some products like their $40 wall amounts are allegedly just repurposed. Broom holders you can buy for a few bucks elsewhere. All signs point to a company with great marketing but poor fulfillment and customer support. Now, for the final verdict, is Neosabers legit? Technically, yes, they deliver something eventually, but are they worth your money? For most people, no. If anything goes wrong with your order, you may be left hanging with no response, no refund, and no frustration. Now, a lot of you may ask me how I do this research so fast. Well, I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.